This is my PDF file and this is my Excel file. No data missing. Hello guys, this is Sinchan. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show you how to convert any kind of PDF to Excel. So let's start the video. First I open a browser, then type PDF to Excel. Look, here you can see a lot of websites. These websites are online websites. I choose the first website because a lot of work I can done from this website. Open this website. Now choose the PDF file. This is my PDF file. Open it. Wait some time. Then convert to Excel. Click here and choose option. Wait some time. My Excel file is ready. Look, here is a download button. Download this Excel file. My Excel file is downloaded. Look, here is my Excel file. I open it. This is my Excel file. If you want to see the PDF file, this is my PDF file. If you use the website, no data missing in this website. This is my PDF file and this is my Excel file. No data missing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for all. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.